Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 40, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple Layout on this Android. Firstly, go into Play Store, click on this search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Then you need to install this free app, this one from this developer, and open it. Then wait for the pop-ups to show up. When they do, you need to select while using the app and allow in all of them. Then click on Home button. Now you need to access Settings and choose Apps section. Following that, tap on Default Apps and Home app. To apply iOS Launcher, click on it and select OK. Then tap on Got it, and as you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my Motorola. But you can always switch between your layouts by going into Settings again, tapping on Apps, Default Apps and Home app. Over here, click on Moto App Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!